20 meters water system here in Del Beersheba, the home of the patriarchs where Abraham, Isaac, Jacob lives. So enjoy. We are going to explore, we're going to dig out and look what's inside the tunnel. So stay tuned and hit like, share and follow our page Business Israel. Let's go down. It's amazing. Wonderful place. What a great and huge water system, guys. That's a lovely place. Nice. What a wonderful place. The ancient cistern tunnel. Of the tunnel. Amazing.